Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Clapper app. Clapper is short video app like TikTok. If you want to use this app, first of all install and open this app. You will see this interface. I will place a link of this app in description. You can install from there. Now in this video, we will go through all the features and options available on this app. When you will open this app, first of all you need to log in your account. For that, click on this profile button, click on sign up, and you can use your phone number or Facebook account or Google account to sign in. I will use my Google account. While logging your account, you just need to set your username, your account name, and your age. When you will log in, you will see this interface. Now in this profile button, you can edit your profile by changing. You can change your name, you can change your username, basic info about yourself like your city, age, and gender. Then write bio about yourself. Then you can link your Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram on this Clapper. With that, you can also link your YouTube channel. So here in this edit profile page, you have all these options. You can use this. Now in the top corner, we have 3-line option. From 3-line option, you can see your Clapper coins. Clapper coins are a type of coins by which you can make money online. You can get these coins through lives, and there are different options available to earn coins. Simply that you can make money through these Clapper coins. So in this Clapper coin option, you can see how many Clapper coins you have on. Then we have manage account option. In this manage account, we can change our phone number, email, shipping address, and other things. Then there is privacy and safety option, where you can do privacy settings like you can set direct message setting, receive pics and videos, voice settings, and then settings for your comments. So this is setting page where you have different settings here. Here in this profile button, you can see two options. One is create a group, and second one is create space. Before discussing these two tools, we will learn about other tools. Like in direct message page, you can get notifications, all activities like likes, comments, shares, and people who follow you, your follower notifications. You can get notifications in this direct message page. Now in this search button, you can search anyone. Like you can search any person. Let's suppose I will search John here, so you can get users with this name and also videos. Now in this explore button, you can see people who are live now. Also show up live option is available. You can use this option as well. In home page, you will see videos of for you, just like in TikTok. You can like that videos. While comment any person, you can send them gifts, you can send them coins, which become income source for the creator. So if you are making content in Clapper, other users will send you coins if you make a better content. So in this process, you can make money with Clapper. Then in the next option, we have share. You can share this video and you can save from here. Next option is about the music. Whoever use this audio will appear in this option. Here in followings, videos of those people will appear who you follow. Then in lives, you can see people who are live now on Clapper. Then in lives, same as comments, you can share them, gifts, and you can comment and watch other lives here. So this is live page. To upload video or go live or to add voice, we have a plus button in the bottom of screen. So by using this plus button, you can go live on Clapper, you can upload a video, and you can also make an audio here. So to upload video, just click on video, then allow to access Clapper to your account. Now to upload video from gallery, just click on upload. When you will select video, you can trim your video and select the part of video which you want to upload, and then click on next. From here, you can set volume for your video. Like I will mute this video, original sound of this video. Then you can add voiceover. Like if you want to add some voice, you just need to click on this record button and you can record your voice. Then in sounds, you can add sound. Like we have trending sounds here, favorite sounds, and discover sounds. So you can, if you want to discover any sound, you can just search from here. Then we have text option here. If you want to add some text, you can use this option. And to edit text, we have different fonts and different colors here. So I will add some music to this video. Then click on next. Here you need to write description for your video. Then you need to add hashtags. You can also tag other friends and who can view your video. And we have allow, comment, and save to device options. So when you will complete all these settings, you can keep this video in drafts, and also you can post this video on Clipper. Now you can see our video is uploading. When your video will be uploaded, it will appear here. Then we can see comments on our videos here, and also you can see those videos which you have liked here in this page. Now what are groups and spaces? If you want to create a group on Clipper, you just need to click on create group, a group name, like I will add my name here, and then you can do settings like who can approve members request, like owner or automatic member approval. Then in next option, notify new followers to join. If you want to turn on this option, you can keep this open. So what are groups and how many people can join a Clipper group? 5,000 people can join this group, and each people can create one group. So you can only create one group on Clipper. So if you want to create a group, you can create here. Then we have creator space option. Creator space is something on Twitter by which you can make money. Like you can see top creator gifts, like people who send you coins on Clipper, you can see here. Then you can see your shop. If you want to create any shop and sell products on Clipper, you can create a shop here. Then you can see your family, like those people who are close to you on Clipper, you can add here. Create a space option by which you can make money through Clipper. So this is Clipper app. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.